everyone, if you're tired of struggling with limited free design tools that crash on complex blueprints, this is for you. Today, we're setting up a full-scale copy of AutoCAD on your desktop without spending a single dollar. Let's jump straight into the action. Let's start by fetching the installation wizard from our website. Once you open the file, it takes over the entire process, independently downloading the core drafting engines and custom layer setups tailored for your system. Now that the core files are unpacked, the secondary setup screen will pop up to finish the job. It's loading the scale measurements and coordinate tracking modules, which usually wraps up in about 30 seconds. Let's fire up the application to see the actual design board. We'll quickly open a blank project to check if the main layout grid, command line, and 3D navigation wheel are fully responsive. As you can see, the workspace is fully calibrated and ready for your heavy design files. Head over to our webpage to grab the setup files and start drafting your projects right now.